In 2012, Australia will be treated to a riveting, multifaceted event that has been over 20 years in the making. Heaven Acts is proud to present Conquering the Government Mountain. Led by Reverend Dr. Lynn Klomp, who has spent 2 decades walking the corridors of power at Parliament House, Canberra. The workshops are especially designed for those who want to see change and be able to influence the government in this nation and others.
I've seen God move as a direct result of positioning and prayer. There is no challenge too great for our God. He moves in powerful ways.
CGM Sydney was held in mid-2011 and saw the equipping and commissioning of prayer warriors with a heightened revelation on how to influence this mountain. Without question, government is one of the most influencing areas of life, and when but now is the time that the saints be equipped.
God will make his name great in this nation of Australia, and he will use the ecclesia, his called out ones, which is you and me, to do that. He has equipped us and he has called us, and this is the time for us to move forward.
For more information, visit www.heavenacts.com. You can find us on Facebook too, at facebook.com/heavenacts.
I will be looking forward to seeing you in the Gold Coast in February or in Perth during March.